Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to use floating keyboard on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. Well, a floating keyboard can be moved around the screen, allowing you to position it wherever it's most convenient. This flexibility can make it easier to use your device in different orientations and contexts. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. First, open an application that brings up the keyboard, such as a messaging app or a note-taking app. Okay, once the keyboard appears, look for the icon located in the top left corner of the keyboard interface. Next, tap on this icon to access additional settings. Okay, and a menu will appear, presenting you with various features and configurations. So here, browse through this menu until you find the option Floating. This option allows you to enable the floating keyboard, which can be moved around the screen and positioned according to your preferences. So click on it to activate the floating keyboard. And now you can drag the floating keyboard to any location on the screen that suits your needs, making it more convenient to type in different contexts or applications. Well, that's the tutorial on how to use floating keyboard on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.